Ryobi. Cleaning up the competition, one suction pun at a time.
So we got here is the Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus cordless stick vac kit. I got this actually it's factory blemish, but it should be exactly the same. And I figure I'll give you unboxing what's inside and I don't know, review it. This is actually my wife's Mother's Day gift. She wanted one, and I had so many Ryobi tools, and don't need to have cord. That's a main part of this, and it comes with a 4 amp hour battery. And actually, the place we got it was at the outlet mall, where they sell these refurbished ones or blemished ones, factory blemish. I don't care. And so it was cheaper. I paid like $159 for this, but then they had 30% off for Mother's Day. So it ended up was it near the Lancaster outlets. So let's unbox this to see what's in it.
Don't suck it up. Let the Ryobi 18-volt vacuum stick do the work.
All right, so unboxing here. It comes, I think this is a, sideways. I just get the stuff out from the table here. I'm guessing this is a holder for it. For the side, we got a little brush. Instruction kit, register, get some, I don't know, warranty stuff. Anyway, I never read that. Ooh. Right off the bat, here's your 18-volt battery. Got plenty of these. Always good to have. And while I'm unboxing this, it's important to note that Ryobi did not pay me to do this at all. I'm not sponsored them at all. I'll put a link in the description to the vacuum as well. And if I can get it to be affiliate link, great. It might not be. We'll see if they approve it. But also, Ryobi, if you want to send me stuff, I'm not opposed to that. Ooh, there we go. That feels nice. There's like an aluminum, I believe. The aluminum piece feels pretty sturdy. I mean, plastic right here. Nice aluminum piece. I like that. Seems very lightweight. Take some stuff off. Don't mind the neighbor doing yard work, It's good. They're doing some yard work with some power tools. All right. My wife's been waiting for me to make a video so she can use this thing. All right, it comes with this charger. Not bad. I feel like every single charger looks slightly different, but mount on the wall. I have like probably 20 of these. Not 20. 8 of them, 9 of them now. Same with the batteries. But yeah, actually I'll put it on the table, I guess, to show we have a charger here. And then, let me see, we got the pieces together. This is the bottom part.
This vacuum really sucks in the best way possible.
Nice little folding. Not bad. Got some wheels there. I'm guessing it can, angle up and down. Not bad. Nice strong bristles. So we got that there, and there's bristles. Oh, you can see it's going to move side to side, up and down. Here's the vacuum part coming out. The made honcho. Not bad. I mean, I believe it's a reusable filter, like most are. And let me go. Before the wind takes everything away, keep the last part out, and I put everything back in the box. We got this thing here. Put all the extra pieces that I don't need, plastic, back in the box. Before the wind takes it, I gotta grab it out of my yard.
When it comes to cleaning, this Ryobi vacuum doesn't stick around.
So obviously here you have the main vacuum part. Seems like a nice handle. Just hold it from right here only. You can see that. Now let's go see if we can put it together without instructions. That's how I roll. Pretty self-explanatory. Snaps right in, right there. And I'm guessing this part goes in. You can get it in camera right here. Ah. Bango. Bango. Does it lock straight up? Yep. It locks straight up. It's a pretty tall one. And I'm assuming these connect together if you need it smaller. Then this, it makes sense. There's some, there's drywall screws here if you want to put it on the wall, but you can probably snap that here. That's how you hold it probably on the wall there, or probably this way. Yep. And just snap in this hole in the wall. Not bad. All right, the accessories. But then, and you see here, you can take this part out. Comes right off, empty it out. Not too bad. Put it back in. And then we see the weight. I mean, it's not too bad. Pretty good. So let's go inside and we'll go see it in action. So I've already done like 5 minutes of vacuuming, and you can see how much dog hair and dust is already in here. Instantly just filling it up. So I'm going to keep doing it. There's a few button modes, so turn it on here. All right, and if you want, that turns off these things here, and this goes to like quiet mode. So if you turn it off, it has a little light, which is nice. So you can hear. So and you see, very flexible how it can turn, and it's very maneuverable. And it is sucking up a lot of stuff.
Ryobi's vacuum stick, the cleanest way to stick it to the mess.
And shoot, you know, you want to detach it, you turn it off for a second, detach this part here, and now you got this.
Vacuuming with a Ryobi 18-volt stick is a real success. Cleaning your space is a breeze with the Ryobi Vacuum Stick, no strings attached. With the Ryobi 18-volt vacuum stick, dirt and dust don't stand a stick.
I mean, it is, I've only really vacuumed this carpet, and look how much it's already getting off of the dog hair. It's kind of loud, but that's most vacuums. But for how portable it is and how easy it is to do a quick tune-up, no cords, they're free to move anywhere. Also, I mean, this turning here, look at that angle. You can see that. It's a pretty big angle. But anyway, great vacuum. And then it can stand up on its own. So yeah, the attachments I found, this goes to the wall. You can, hook on the wall and you hook these attachments. I guess you could leave it like this. You want to keep it together, and then take it off when you're using it. But yeah, great vacuum for the money, I think. I mean, look how it's already sucked up for just quick touch-up stuff. Great, leave it around the house, and then whenever you need it, just quickly go do it. So that's a Ryobi 18-volt vacuum stick. And this is Sean Gannon, future president of the United States of America. Don't forget to vote Gannon. I'd vote for you if you were running.
Ryobi's vacuum stick, the suck-ret weapon against messes. Cleaning up has never been this successful. Thank you, Ryobi 18-volt vacuum stick.